Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. This is my August 2019 BoxyCharm unboxing. I literally just grabbed this out of the mail. I believe it's the 7th today, and this thing came super fast, which I never get it in like the first week. So I figured I would open it up and see what I got, and I have absolutely zero spoilers because I didn't get the email that usually tells you what you're getting in your box or if you want to peek or whatever. I never got that email, which is fine because I want to be surprised. So if you guys are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, I will leave a link down below for you guys to check out. It's $21 a month, and it's makeup, skincare, and it's really good brands, like higher end makeup, skincare brands, and I have loved everything in my box. You're gonna get, I mean, sometimes you even get like hair products. I got a straightener one time, so just never know what you're gonna get, but it is the best subscription box that I've ever gotten. This video is not sponsored. I've been paying for this for probably over a year, and I love this box. So let's see what we got. So this month is called, the card, it says Totally BoxyCharm. And then on the back of the card, it is gonna tell you what is in here. It's gonna give you a description and then the cost. So I don't wanna peek at it right away because I wanna see what is in here first. So, okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna look, I'm just gonna grab. I've never really done this before. Okay, so this is the biggest box, I think, biggest piece in here, yep. And okay, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And I actually have this. So let me just open it for you guys and show you. This stuff is awesome. So this was one of those YouTube made me buy it things. This is what the packaging looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it's just a little setting powder. And the cool thing about this is that when you put it on your face, oh wow, it's like not even sealed. What on earth? It's like super messy. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it is super duper messy. So yeah, the thing about it is it's supposed to kind of feel wet. This doesn't. I wonder why it's messy because, so where's this powder coming from? Okay, so I will say I bought this myself in the past, and I want to say it only lasted like maybe 6 months where it felt like the wet feeling, and now it just feels like normal powder. I'm gonna go kind of dump this a little bit and then open it and see how it feels, but that's really weird that it's like almost open. Okay, that is really weird. Like, I don't know what this thing went through to get to my house, but it is a mess. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is so messy. Like, you would think that it was already open. So, okay. Okay, yeah, it definitely has that wet feel. It's so cool. It's the neatest feeling. Like when you first get it, you literally put it on your skin and it feels like it's wet. Like, it is such a cool feeling. Yeah, so I mean, when I first bought this powder, I was very happy with it. I enjoyed it. I have a little bit more mature skin, so I didn't really like to set my under eyes with it because I felt like it kind of dried that area out a little bit, but I think it's good for setting all over your face, just not right under the eyes. So yeah, I'm excited about this. And this is not cheap. Let me see. Yeah, so this retails for $39, and you're getting 0.35 ounces. So for powder, I don't know, is that pretty standard? I'm not sure. But all right, cool. Next in the box we have, this is Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Okay, I actually needed a new mascara. I have the Too Faced Better Than Sex that I got in a BoxyCharm a few months back, and that one is almost gone. So okay, this is really cool. So that is what this looks like. This actually looks just like the Too Faced Better Than Sex wand. I mean, it actually feels identical. Like the thickness of it, the wand, everything feels almost identical. So, all right, cool. I mean, I've never tried this one before, and this retails for $23. All right, next in here. Okay, I'm feeling 6 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Weird. Okay, so this is from Laurent, and this is a, what are you? Let's just look real quick. It's a lip liner, and this retails for $15. Let's see that. That is what this one looks like, and it just looks to be like kind of like a, oh, it's really kind of soft, so A little bit of it broke off, but that's really pretty. I feel like you could wear that with a lot of different lip colors, maybe like nudes, or not so sure about pinks, but that's pretty. I don't normally use lip liners. I'm more of a lip gloss gal, but on the off chance that I want to use a lip liner, I think this seems like a decent one. So the next two things, I'm assuming these go together. These are from Acebutte Glimmer Shadows, and these look exactly like the ColourPop eyeshadows, the Super Shock. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So that is what these look like. These are so pretty, and yeah, they look, what are you eating? Tater Tot is down here trying to get in the mix of things and trying to eat the wrappers. I thought he would say hi. You say hi? This one is called Iced Latte, and then this one is called Cotton Candy. Don't you always just want to smell the makeup when it has like a fun, like sweet name? They definitely don't have any scent. Oh my gosh, they feel identical to the ColourPops. That is really pretty. So that is what that one looks like. They're so soft and creamy, just like the ColourPop. Okay, these are really pretty. And that is what that one looks like. They're really pretty. I have a ton of these already, the ColourPop ones, and they're so fun to use and everything, but like sometimes it's just easier to grab a palette. But these are cute. I'll throw them in my makeup bag and try to give them a shot. And these are, oh, it's the Glimmer Shadow Duo, so they must come together. $25. $25 for two? That's a lot. You can get the ColourPop ones for $5 a piece. Wow. Okay. See, like I said, you guys, you get really good products in here, and this is not anything I would normally go out and buy on my own because I wouldn't probably splurge like that. But okay, cool. Thing in here is called, this is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Okay, now they are speaking my language. I love face oils. Like I said, I'm a little older, and I just like anything that's really super hydrating on the skin, and I love oils. So let's see, you put it on, and it's a pretty little pink color, kind of like a pinky color, and it doesn't, oh yeah, it definitely feels like an oil. And it definitely smells like kind of florally maybe. Kind of just smells like skincare, but it feels really good and really hydrating. Okay, I'm definitely excited to try this. I have really dry skin. I live out here in Arizona, and I love anything that's hydrating. So this retails for $42. And what does it say about this? Multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. Cool. So I'm very excited about this. This is probably my favorite thing in here just because I love face oils. I'm going to add everything together and see what this box is worth. Oh, and for those of you that wonder, I have the box variation number 2, and I'm also gonna go into my email and see what the weight of mine is, because I've had you guys ask before because you're wondering if maybe you have the same box, so let me go check that. Okay, so my box weight is 0.6 pounds, and this box retails for, $144. That is the most I've, maybe not ever, but that's a lot. That is a really good deal. So overall, I'm very happy with this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get what you want in your boxes, and I hope you guys enjoy your boxes this month, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.